What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got a quick introduction to the channel video. This is some Auxito light bulbs. They are LED reverse, brake, turn signal bulbs. They are 7443 bulbs. They do have projector lenses at the tips as well. So we're going to be doing a quick video on these, give you guys a little bit of information, a couple measurements, you know, give you guys a sneak peek into what's coming up, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be an introduction to the channel video, as well as kind of a sneak peek of what's going to be coming up on the channel with these guys. So Auxito contacted me, just like they contacted me about the LED headlights for 2000 4Runners, 1996 to 2002, have the same headlights, which are H4s. Pretty sure they're H4s. Let me grab the box. I think they are. Yeah, H4s. Or 90003. But so I did some videos. You guys, I've already released it. You guys got, if you guys watched it, you know, let me know what you think. I did a very in-depth headlight video, lux readings, halogen versus LED. I've never been really a fan of LED headlights, bulbs at least. I love HIDs for headlights. And, you know, I like LEDs like these for, you know, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights. You know, they do great for that parking lights. Even light bars, stuff like that. But it just, I've had too many problems with the LED ones. But these LED ones are actually bright. The last LED set I had, I wanted to also include that into the video. But I couldn't find the Morimoto two-stroke 2.0s that I had for some reason. But I digress. That has nothing to do with what's going on at the moment. If I find them, I will re-edit that video and release it with some more information. But these are 1400 lumens. They do have a projector lens. And they are 360 degrees around and front. They're a little bit longer than a standard 7440, which 7440, 7443, they're basically the same. They are definitely longer. I'm going to be doing comparison videos. These LEDs versus halogens in turn signals, brake lights, and reverse lights as well. And these are all white because my lenses, whether I'm waiting for some aftermarket lenses that I purchased or the original lenses, doesn't matter. They all have tinted lenses. So you can use white bulbs in tinted lenses. You do not have to use amber bulbs in an amber housing. It's just going to make it not as bright. Same with the brake. You don't need to use red bulbs or red LEDs in a red housing. It's not going to be as bright as a white in a red housing. But we're going to be comparing these two in reverse, brake, and turn signal, as well as I'm going to be also doing a demonstration, these Auxito bulbs versus the lighting output, or at least what it looks like. I don't know if I'm going to do lux readings on something, you know, this small. It's not going to be much, but also going to be putting these Auxitos up against the ones I've been buying for the last 10 plus years from AutoZone, which are the Sylvania Zevo LEDs, which I have I have all 3 of my 4Runners are outfitted with those. Every bulb, interior, exterior, other than the headlights. Every bulb, parking lights, third brake light, regular brake lights, turn signals front and rear, reverse lights. They're all the Zevo LEDs from Sylvania. And we will compare these Auxitos to those. And 2 different versions of the same 7443 bulb. Because Zevo LED, the Zevo LEDs from Sylvania, they actually changed design. They used to have the 360 style. Now they have it looks like a flat beak, like a V beak, with 1 LED diode on each side, which it's not 360 anymore. So we could do comparisons with those against these. We'll do comparisons against Halogens versus the Sylvania Zevos. These versus Halogens, as well as these versus the Zevos. And a quick measurement, just so you guys know the difference. I'd have to go grab the Zevos out of one of the trucks, to be honest, and I just don't want to do that right now. These, from the lens to the bottom of the connector housing where it starts, the plug, is 1 7/8 of an inch long. From the top to the bottom, all the way to the bottom of the connector, is 2 3/8. These guys, from the top of the bulb to the bottom of the connector, or the top of the start of the plug section, is 1 1/8. And from the top all the way to the bottom of the plug is 1 5/8. So 1 5/8 total, compared to 2 3/8. So 1 5/8. So if you measure just the bulb, that would be sticking out in the housing, because the plug, it's being taken up by the plug sections going in the plug. So the difference in length from the top of the bulb to the bottom of the usable section of the bulb before the plug starts is 1 1/8, actually. So 1 1/8 compared to 1 7/8. So it's exactly 1 inch longer on these Auxitos than a stock halogen bulb. So if I put the plug up here, it's 1 inch longer exactly, which isn't too bad. And I believe the Zevo, Sylvania Zevo LEDs, I believe they are like 3/4 of an inch shorter than these, if I remember correctly. I will measure them when I start that video. We'll be doing lots of testing. I want to give you guys as much information as I possibly can. I just want to, give you guys this information so you guys know ahead of time that we will be bringing some goodies to some detailed goodie information to the channel. I want to be as informative as I can. Hope it helps you guys. As well as in the description below, I will have a 15% off coupon for you guys if you guys want to buy anything from them. The LEDs I've been impressed with. I've been using them for over a month now on the headlights, and I've been surprisingly impressed for like $60 headlight bulbs, because the last set of headlight bulbs I bought were the Morimoto 2-stroke 2.0s, and those for 2 bulbs was like $200, and they were not very bright. Maybe I'll pick up the Morimoto 3.0s, just to do a comparison between the 3.0s and the 2.0s, because I have a feeling I know where the 2.0 2-strokes are for Morimoto. So I could always do a comparison between the Auxito headlight LEDs versus the Auxito or the Morimoto 2.0 2-strokes versus the 3.0 2-strokes. See if there's a difference. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. These guys are only like $28 a set of 2. I've got 4 boxes here. It's 2, 4, 6, 8. That's how many I need to do reverse, brake lights in the rear, turn signals in the rear, turn signals in the front. That is all I got for you guys today. Go check out the links. I will provide the Auxito links for you guys if you want to go check them out. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!